finally here, guys. I mean, I've been had this YouTube subscriber plaque play button for us, I would say like the past 3 weeks, guys, but I wanted to do it when it was right, when I felt good, and today I felt good. I know it's time to open this bad boy. I can't believe I have this in my hands, guys. This took, I don't know, a lot of hard work and determination, but we're gonna unbox it with you guys. And before we jump in, I just want to say thank you to every single one of you who subscribed, who shared the videos, who commented, who liked the videos. And yeah, it means the world to me. I've been grinding for like, what, 5 years? It's been crazy, up and downs, but enough of me. Let's jump on to see what we have inside. Let's go. All right, so I just got my handy dandy knife. It's gonna get real. All right, first tape. There we go. I just can't believe it, guys. It's here. We're gonna do this together. I think there's one more under here. Oh my God. Somebody keep messaging me. Is that? Hold on, let me get this right. Okay, we got it. Whoever is messaging me, stop. This is more important right now. There we go, guys. Oh, they gave us a tease. You know what I'm saying? A little tease. Bro, like, this is surreal. You see this on YouTube, you're like, yo, I'll never get 100,000. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone, blah, blah, blah. We're honored. Shout out to my boy Rick. He made sure we're valid. And then shout out to Susan with the letter, you know what I'm saying? So this letter reads, do you remember your first subscriber? Yes. Do you remember your 100th? Not really. Or your 1,000 subscriber? Yes, the 1,000 subscriber mark was amazing. Chances are you do, and we know that you definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Yes, I do. I was actually crying on stream like a... But your fans have found, my family actually, have found you while searching on YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel.
A few moments later.
Thank you. Yo, we know that you have many more stories to share with your community, which I will do. I will be telling you guys how I got to this 100,000, blah, blah, blah. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you do next. We're here for you to support. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000 subscriber, we may just write you to ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours truly, Susan. Shout out to Susan. This was a really nice message. Oh. Look at your boy. Yes, sir. Big Chevy. Okay, now we have to unbox this. I can't believe it, bro. All right, so inside here is just like things that's not important, but guys, this is surreal. Shh, presented to Shevon. It looks so good, bro. Woo! Let's go. Yo, that's fire. We did it, guys. We actually freaking did it. No way, bro. This is amazing from YouTube themselves. I said before, this took a lot of hard work, a lot of determination, like consistency, and just being disciplined overall. I want to give a huge thanks to today's sponsor, Skillshare. And with Skillshare, there's tons of things you could learn in order to be like more productive, learn how to be more dedicated, like learn how to manage your task on time. There's so much stuff you could learn on Skillshare in terms of building a YouTube channel, how to film YouTube videos, how to edit videos, all that stuff. If I knew somewhere where I could find that, I'm sure I would have done like a lot more things way faster, way easier. So what is Skillshare? Skillshare is an online and learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people like you. And for anyone that has been watching the channel for a while now, you know I'm really passionate about personal development and building new skills in everyday life, and Skillshare is the best place for that. Another good thing is that Skillshare has a wide variety of classes ranging from filming, photo editing, animations, cooking, all the way up to productivity. If you want to become a pro, Skillshare is the best way to go. And the class I've been hooked on recently is one with MKBHD, which is actually a YouTuber. The thing is, I can relate to him so well, and watching his classes has helped me to improve my filming process, and since then I've been way more productive. I love watching classes on Skillshare because there's no ads, there's always launching new premium classes like this one with MKBHD, and Skillshare just has tons of classes available, so if there's anything else you want to learn or get better at, then Skillshare is the perfect place to start learning. And you guys know I got you, right? So the first 1,000 people to sign up with my links down below in the description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium, so you guys could go out and start exploring your creativity. And thanks again Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Bro, I'm just here looking at this like, yo, there's no way I have it. I always see it on YouTube. Now I freaking have it, bro. I have it for myself. It's crazy. And it looks so good. Like, why does it look so good? Where am I gonna put this though? I have nowhere to put it. But yo, thank you guys. Thank you. I know a lot of you guys have questions, so here's a quick draw my life. I grew up in a small town in Manchester, Jamaica with my mom and dad. Later, my dad left for America, leaving just mom and I. He used to visit during the summers, but he really wasn't in my life until recently. I found out I had 2 younger and 1 older brothers when I was like 10 years old, and they all lived in America. I always wondered, yo, why do I have to stay in Jamaica? But soon I got over it, accepted the fact that it's just gonna be my mom and I forever. I love my mother so much because she just ensured that I had everything I asked for. My mom ended up having a daughter. She was so cute, so I just wanted to make sure when she got older, she had pictures to look back at. Hence, I asked my mom to buy me a camera. This is where my creativity sparked. I started to film and took pictures every chance I got. The videos I used to edit was with Windows Movie Maker. It wasn't the best, but it worked out for me. Also, as a kid, I've always been super creative. I played sports like badminton professionally for my country and in the Pan American Games, and won a lot of tournaments locally and internationally, and others such as table tennis, basketball, football, or as you guys call it, soccer. Fast forward to 2015, I fell in love with iPhones, jailbreaking. A friend named Chris introduced me to it. I used to watch people like Everything Apple Pro, iTweaks, and Tech Me Out, and I was like, yo, I could make content like this or even better. I just thought that these YouTubers were good, but they were just not giving people what they wanted, so I decided to make a content viewers wanted to see. The problem was the internet at my house sucked, so I couldn't watch or upload YouTube videos because it was just super slow. So I had to make videos in the week and then went to my local library and uploaded the videos in a batch, later on releasing them day by day the following week. Moreover, I didn't have enough money for any lighting equipment or any new camera since I lost the old one, so I'd have to like wake up early before school to get that good early morning natural light. I kept on screen recording videos for almost a year. Sometimes I used to go over to my best friend's Shevon house to borrow his camera since he had a nice DSLR camera, which was a Nikon. He also had good ass internet, so shout out to my boy Shevon. If it wasn't for him, I would not have made it this far, honestly, and he knows. So after all that struggle, by the end of 2016, I managed to gain 4,006 subscribers with 513,000 views in total for my YouTube channel, and this was when I was like, yo, I could actually do this. Now it was just time for college and university, and I told myself I can't stay in Jamaica anymore. There's no way I could be a successful tech YouTuber living in Jamaica. It just doesn't work. No one would send me products for review. Shipping products to Jamaica is also just a scam. You could order a phone from Amazon costing $100 and then the custom would charge you $300 just to clear the phone. It just doesn't make any sense. I was like, yeah, I gotta move out of here. Hence, I applied for colleges in Toronto and started waiting. Most of my friends started to get accepted into colleges locally in Jamaica, like the University of West Indies and University of Technology, and I was like, damn, what if I don't get accepted into any of these schools in Canada? I would be screwed since I didn't apply to any schools in Jamaica. This was my only way out. Now, a couple of months passed. Finally, I got the email from Humber College in Toronto saying I got accepted into their advertising and marketing program. And man, it was like I lifted 10,000 pounds off my shoulder. I called my mom so quickly as if she was on speed dial, and we were just super happy about it and excited. I knew money was gonna be an issue, but I took the risk because I knew if I worked hard and stick to the plan of doing this YouTube stuff, that it would pay off. So after buying my first camera, the Sony A3000, clothes and the plane ticket. I left Jamaica with like $700 in my account, so I was like, damn, I'm really in a country by myself, no like close family around, just $700. I have to pay a rent, which is $500 every month. I had no job, and YouTube was only paying me like $100 every month. So I knew at this point it was grind time. The tuition was super expensive, and my mom paid for my rent for a few months. I started to looking for jobs everywhere, and that was when I went into grind mode. 5 years later, here we are now at 100K subscribers and a lot more to come. But yeah, that's how everything went down. Once more again, guys, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for helping me to achieve one of my life goals of hitting 100,000 subscribers. Like 5 years ago, you telling me that I would have 100,000 subscribers, I would never believe you. I wanted it, but looking at it from 5 years ago, it's like, yo, it's whatever, you know what I mean? But it's here. It just goes to show that you guys could do whatever you want to do in life, as long as you just put your mind to it, you grind it out, you'll reap the rewards, and it's living proof right here. So yeah, thank you guys again. If you want to achieve your goals, just keep pushing. If there's any questions or anything, just drop them down below in the comments. I'll get back to you guys. But as always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out. One more time, baby. Let's go. Mwah.